Hey y'all, now your girl Ashirifia all in one this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. On the menu today we have cranberry sriracha chicken wings. To season our chicken, we just going to be using some salt, black pepper or pepper seasoning, and of course, sriracha sauce. Now, throw all of that stuff in there. Put some gloves on if you don't want to get dirty and work that magic. Just slowly massage your chicken in. Make sure it's nicely coated with all that goodness and set that bad boy aside. I'm using a 3-step system to coat my chicken because I want to be able to take a journey through the crunch to get to my actual chicken. Now, in one bowl, I have plain old flour. The next bowl, I have a little bit more flour than the first one, and I'm going to season that bad boy up. Now, I'm using some cumin, some garlic powder, some ginger, onion, all pepper seasoning, some adobo seasoning, some seasoning salt, some cayenne pepper. Do not forget that cayenne pepper. It makes a whole lot of difference in your fried chicken. Now, once all of that is in there, whisk it up the best way that you can. If you don't have a whisk, just use a fork or a spoon will do. Your hands will do perfectly fine. But if you don't, use those hands, baby. Now, moving on to that batter, of course, I'm going to be using cranberry juice. Add in my eggs, throw some all-pepper seasoning in there. Don't overdo the seasoning here because your flour is well seasoned. Throw in some flour, whisk that bad boy in, and your batter is complete. I'm using good old vegetable oil. But hey, if you don't like vegetable oil and you want to use something else, it's also fine. Now, I dip my chicken into that plain old flour, and now it's in that batter. Now, when I take it to my seasoned flour, I'm going to squeeze the flour into the chicken because I want layers and layers of crunch when it comes out the oil. And that's just as simple as that. Now I'm showing you again what I did there. I'm shaking my chicken off before I put it in that oil. Of course, because I don't want my oil to burn before my chicken is done because I have a lot of frying to do. Now, once my chicken is in there, I'm not going to move it around right away. I'll wait for the skin to crisp up just like so before I move the chicken around. Do not overcrowd your pot. Just give it fairly enough room for it to be crispy and not stick to each other. My chicken has been cooking on high heat for the last 5 minutes. So I'm going to reduce the heat for the next 3 minutes. Look how beautiful that chicken looks. That chicken is just mouth-watering. I can't wait. Skim your oil in between fries to get rid of all that crumbs so your chicken can properly fry. While this is going on, let's go ahead and make that cranberry sriracha sauce. This sauce is everything, I promise you. Now, on the pot there, I just have my good old cranberry juice, added in my sriracha sauce, brought it to a boil, and now I'm going to be adding my brown sugar to bring out the flavors, to sweeten it up, to make this go to the extra mile. Now, bring that to a boil. You want it to slightly reduce. You don't want it too thick at the same time. Then I'm going to be adding in my crushed peppers. Now, crushed peppers has no flavor. They're just for garnishing. So you see what I mean once you make the sauce. Stir that in and bring it to a boil. Now, to seal all that flavor in, you know you need your good old sodium. Salt to taste, baby. And there you go. Your sauce is done. Now that I'm done with all my frying, I'm going to go ahead and coat that chicken, baby. But first, listen to this. Listen to all that crunch. Now, drizzle that crunchy chicken with that cranberry sriracha sauce, baby. It's on. It's on. It's on. This looks so good. Oh my God, I can't wait to try it. Now, make sure you save some of that sauce to dip your chicken in. And I promise you, you're going to thank me later. This is it, y'all. We finished cuckoo. Come make we chop. La. I'm telling you, if you try this chicken and you do not give me a thumbs up, my man, this is not it. You don't know what flavor is. Because this is flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor. Boy, this is cranberry sriracha chicken, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. I beg you, subscribe now. Subscribe. Hit that button for all notification. Thumbs up, share, and thank you guys so much. Bye.